Hello, welcome back friends. Welcome back to another video. This is Tech Boy Sai Kiran. In this video today we are going to discuss about the functional based queries. That means how we are going to use the functions in MySQL commands. So the new viewers who are to my channel, hit the subscribe red button and hit the bell icon to get all the personalized notifications. So further, without wasting any time, let's get started. Now just open your MySQL command prompt. I'll give the link in the description. So this is the command to create the database. Just pause the video and note down. Now I'm just describing the schema of the table transaction. So this is the describe schema of the table transaction, account number, trans date. So now just I'm inserting values into it. Insert into values. Let me take account number as a is 00. Oh, let me take a01 comma and transaction date as okay, 10th May 2019. Okay, let me keep it as 19. I think there may be an error here. Let's see what happens. Okay, just put a comma and amount AMT, that is amount as 10,000, and D indicates here type of transaction, that is debited. Okay, now mode of payment as cash. So that's an error here, too long for column trans date. So I think I have allocated very less size for the attribute trans date. Okay, let me decrease it to 3rd May. So still there is an error. Okay, let me remove the hyphen between them now. Okay, the query was okay. Similarly, insert all the values, required values into the table. Let me show you one by one. Insert into transaction values. Just I want to remove the cash here, and mode of payment I will keep it as check, and I think that means in the check format. And I'll remove D and mention W for withdraw, T for debit. Okay, next let me keep it here 5,000, and date, let me change it to what else date, okay, 05 July, and the account number as A02. Then hit enter, go for the next entry. Okay, the query was NK, and the next entry I want to keep this check as it is, and I just change the transaction type with debit, and the amount I want to keep it as how much should I keep? Okay, 25,000. Now the date is 12th August. Okay, let me keep it as 12th August, and the account number as A03. Okay, that's done. Just go for the next entry here. Now this is fourth entry. Now this is a I want to keep it check as it is, and also the mode of payment as a check, and transaction type also with the debit one, and the date let me keep it as 15th May. Okay, and the account number as A04. Okay, let me go for the next entry. This is the, I think it's more than enough. Okay, let me keep this last one. I'll change this D to W. Now the amount as okay, 15,000, and the date is okay, let me keep it 12th of October, and the account number is A05. So these 5 entries are more than enough to us to perform these functional based queries in this MySQL. So now just these are the queries. Okay, now I just want to print the table whichever we are entered the values just now. So just type the select star from transaction, and here you see the table. This is the table which we wanted. Now we will perform functional based queries. That means using the functions in MySQL, we perform all the queries, all the commands. If any doubts, comment me in the comment section. Please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. It motivates me a lot. Now the first command is select sum. Sum indicates addition. So what should I add now? Okay, let me add a amount. Okay, the total amount which was in the table, I will print it. Okay, have you understood? I'm thinking you have understood. Okay, now from the table, from table transaction. Okay, semicolon, hit enter. See, the sum of all the amounts from the table is 85,000. So this query was okay, simple and easier. Don't get confused. Now the next command is select minimum. That means smaller amount. Okay, smaller amount, minimum of amount. So from the table, whichever the value is small, that will be printed. Okay, from transaction. See, 5,000. As you can see from the right side, the smallest amount in the table is 5,000. So that's the query is correct. Okay, let me go for the next query. Let me remove minimum and add max. Just that's it from the transaction table. Okay, the amount it shows as 30,000. So the next command is let me show you which one. Okay, let me show you count. Okay, uh, just perform select count of let me count the number of account holders. That means number of account numbers in this table. So just type account number from where, from transaction table. Just type it from transaction, semicolon, then just hit enter and it shows number 5. So however, we already know that we have just entered 5 entries, so it shows as usually as 5. So the next command is okay, select average. That means this average is the amount which we have entered in the table of all the entries. Average of amount attribute from the table transaction, semicolon, and just hit enter. It shows as 70,000. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get all the personalized notifications.